The invention of money has been one of the most amazing inventions of mankind. Money has made our lives so much simpler. Money today comprises of currency notes and coins. Earlier, when people wanted to get milk, they would exchange it for their corn. They started using commodity as money. This trade was only possible when the person giving us the milk wanted the corn. Trading for small amounts was again a problem. Also, traveling long distances with the commodity money was difficult. To make this simple, our ancestors got a medium in the middle. Coins of precious metals such as gold and silver. Later, paper money was introduced in China, and then this slowly spread in Europe and the Western countries. These currencies issued were backed by gold and silver. It's like a goldsmith gives you a receipt, and you can exchange it for gold whenever you wish to. But after World War I, things changed. This paper currency was no longer backed by gold and silver, and the government started printing the currencies as per their own requirement. So, without gold, what does guarantee our value of money? Nothing at all. Money is just the value we have assigned to these sheets of paper. With the passage of time, credit money came into existence. People started depositing their cash with banks. The nation's money supply includes all the money people have in their bank accounts. The banking system has led to creation of more money. Let's take an example. Mr. A deposits $10,000 with Bank X. The bank gives him some interest. For the banks to give interest to A, the bank needs to earn money. Banks earn money by lending. They lend out a majority of the amount as they need to keep some money aside as a reserve. Let's say the reserve required to be maintained by the banks of the nation is 20%. Therefore, Bank X can lend only 8,000 and needs to keep 2,000 in reserves. Mr. B borrows the 8,000. He uses 3,000 to pay his rent to Mr. C and deposits the balance 5,000 in Bank Y. Mr. C also deposits the rent received in the same bank. So, Bank Y now has $8,000, of which it can further lend an amount of $6,400, keeping $1,600 as reserve. Now, from $10,000, we have $24,400 already. And this process goes on. That means banks can create money out of thin air. When we hire someone to work for us, we give them money for the time they spend. Money is just a means to trade for our time. Our real wealth is our time and freedom. They are the most valuable assets. Invest them wisely. Like if you like it, share if you love it, subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next Monday.